Alright, we are back with yet another video. My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design, and today we are working on the brand spanking new BMW 8 Series. It's good to see the 8 Series back in action. The design looks great. I can't wait to see what the future iterations of this car will be. But anyways, I went a little bit more in depth with this rendering than my past couple videos. You'll see that I changed the color to the good old Laguna Seca blue, added some Vossen MX3 wheels, some other custom touches, along with a background change and a bit more polish of the final edit. So at the end of the video, comment down below and let me know what you think. Would you do these same mods to your 8 Series? Why or why not? As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We recently just hit 300 subs. I just wanted to say thank you guys, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel, and be sure to check out my other videos if you haven't. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys next time.